Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, tap on Open. You need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Xiaomi. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, choose receive on Sony and send on Xiaomi smartphone. From here, you need to tap on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, choose send. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. From photos category, select send and tap on got it. As you can see on Sony, you need to choose no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can connect our smartphones by inputting this pin over here and tapping on receive button, but we can also scan this QR code using this scanning icon over here, tapping on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and pointing Sony's camera at the code. Now as you can see, after a while my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!